I'm Joe Popp from Popp Rock Shop, and along with my faithful assistant Iggy, we're going to be talking today about Slatwall. You can really help us out by subscribing to Popp Rock Shop on YouTube, and also if you decide to purchase anything from the video, please use the Amazon affiliate links. The price isn't any higher for you, and I get a small percentage which helps me to produce these videos. So what is Slatwall? It was developed in the 1960s for retail environments, but has since been used for all kinds of creative storage solutions in garages, workshops, recording studios, she sheds, and man caves. Here on the workshop side of Popp Rock Shop, I have a very specific set of tools that I need within an arm's reach depending on the project I'm working on. The tools will vary. With the easily movable Slatwall hooks and brackets, I can tailor my workspace to fit the job. So let's talk about installation. For my shop, I found a 4x8 sheet of Slatwall that has a laminated white surface at my local Home Depot for right around 70 bucks. I cut it to size, and using a stud finder, I mounted it to the wall using 1 5/8 inch drywall screws. I then searched Amazon for pre-made storage solutions. I found pliers holders, screwdriver holders, an assortment of hooks in 4, 6, and 8 inch lengths. I also found shelves and even guitar hangers. But there are a few items I wanted to mount that I could not find a pre-made solution for. What I did find were some brackets that had a button for hanging pictures. I realized that by drilling out the button, I would have a bracket with a screw hole that I could bolt to all kinds of things. One of my favorite hacks is bolting these clips to 16-drawer Acro Mill storage cabinets. I use low-profile stainless steel 1032 by 3/8 Phillips head truss machine head screws, along with stainless steel number 10 washers and 1032 thin nylon insert nuts. The nylon nut insert is great because you don't need a lock washer or a thread locker to keep the nut from backing off. I found I did have to bend the hooks in my pan of ice to get them to sit just right on the wall. With the beauty of Slatwall, I'm able to bring down the bin and the parts I need right to my desk. When I'm done with the project, the bin goes right back on the Slotwall until I need it again. I've adapted several other storage items such as a pen and pencil holder, micro screwdriver clips, a bar magnet from Harbor Freight, and even socket holders. If there's something I want to mount in a more permanent way like this drill holder, I can screw right into the Slatwall for a sturdy mount. I try to drill any additional holes in the actual slats in case I need to remove it, then there won't be an unsightly hole. After getting my workshop decked out with Slatwall, I realized it would be useful in my kitchen area as well as the closet. You'll find you might have to drill a few holes in some of the tool handles that you have, but once that's done, you'll have a really great organized space. I hope you liked the Popp Rock Shop Slatwall video. Please subscribe and share this video with anybody who you think might be interested.
Popp Rock Shop. We make cool stuff.